access to the RDC.
The resident district commissioner of Kabale, Godfrey Nyakahuma, has emphasized the urgent need for increased community sensitization on national ID registration, noting that the exercise is essential across all areas. His remarks were made during a meeting held on Friday at the Kabale district headquarters, where key stakeholders gathered to discuss the ongoing mass enrollment and ID renewal exercise led by the National Identification and Registration Authority, NIRA.
Ever since we started this exercise, we have not had complaints at all. We have not had complaints at all, save for those who want to get this national, to be worked on very fast. And because of that arrangement, an arrangement was given for those who want to be worked on hurriedly by some people to work on them and pay just a meager 5,000 shillings, and which people are appreciating because they come when they're in a hurry, and because of the big line, and so people are worked on there and then and go back.
During the meeting, Brigadier General Stephen Kwirinjira, the Director of Registration and Operations at NIRA, expressed concern over the rising number of reports involving corruption and unethical behavior within the registration process. He warned that such misconduct not only threatens the integrity of the exercise, but also erodes public trust.
Delays in community mobilization and awareness efforts which hinder citizen participation, incidents of corruption and unethical conduct which compromise the integrity of the registration process and erode public trust. We urge all committee members to uphold the highest standards of transparency and accountability, and to take swift action wherever such issues arise. These challenges demand our collective attention and steadfast commitment.
He further pointed out several challenges hampering the exercise, particularly in remote and hard-to-reach areas. These include limited logistical support, delays in mobilization efforts, and inadequate public awareness campaigns.
We call upon your full cooperation, proactive engagement, and timely execution of committee functions to ensure the success of this national project. Your leadership is vital in addressing emerging challenges on the ground and ensuring the collection of accurate, inclusive, and comprehensive data. We are, however, aware of several operational challenges that continue to impact service delivery in the field, including limited logistical support for remote and hard-to-reach areas, which we are actively working to address.
To address these issues, Brigadier General Kwirinjira urged members of the District Coordination Committee to maintain the highest standards of transparency and accountability to respond swiftly whenever issues arise. He also encouraged the public to collaborate closely with district registration officers to improve coordination and ensure the effectiveness of the registration process.
We urge the committee to ensure timely deployment and close monitoring of registration teams across all parishes. Establishment of citizen verification committees. These are critical for resolving citizenship-related queries. We urge the committee to prioritize and execute this task effectively and without delay. In line with our implementation strategy, NIRA will conduct monitoring and evaluation visits in various districts. These visits aim to assess the ongoing implementation of registration activities, provide technical and logistical support where needed, strengthen coordination among all districts.
Adding to the discussion, Bire Busurwa, the NIRA Registrar for Greater Kabale District, stressed that the lack of timely and accessible information continues to hinder citizen mobilization. He called for intensified public sensitization to encourage greater participation.
We are currently doing registration, fresh registration, for those who have never gotten the chance to register before. We're doing replacement of lost IDs, and we're renewing expired IDs. All these three have no cost. We have not yet opened our doors for change of particulars. Our director will advise us in due course when management will allow us to now come in to change particulars of people who need to change, because it's a major outcry, because most people in 2014, they did not know the importance of the ID, so most of them added some details that were not part and parcel of their maybe academic documents or their day-to-day operations, so they're finding it difficult to change particulars during this time because the use case has not yet been added to the use cases we have on our kits.
Echoing the need for broader engagement, RDC Nyakahoma urged NIRA to involve more stakeholders in its awareness campaigns, including sub-county political leaders as well as religious and cultural figures.
If religious leaders are not brought on board, I don't think any religious leader will go to church and tell his people that please go for registration, go for this particular exercise. But if a religious leader is called, sensitized, and made him to be part and parcel of this exercise, he will take it very well. In fact, I found a Machigara to know that now it is also his responsibility to mobilize.
Compared by King Solomon Tunamasco and Nelson Ahimbisiwe for Kigezi Television.